Hello world, so what I'm going to do is create a for each loop, and yeah, first I'll start off by creating an array variable, and I'm going to create some items for the array, and then create the for each loop. Take the array variable and convert it into single items, and then what I'm going to do is echo the item, and then put a break so it goes on each line, a separate thing. So I created an array and turned the array, each one of these is considered an item in the for each loop. So it should say yo what's up, hello, and the next line should say yo what's up world, and then the next line yo what's up love. Let's check it out. Yo what's up, hello. So it did that, but it doesn't have a space between up and hello. Yo what's up, so I'll just add a space there, or I could just add a concatenation and add a space that way, but it should work. There you go. Alright guys, that was a for each loop tutorial, quick and easy, painless. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.